Hello, lovely ladies and gentlemen, wonderful students. You're welcome to today's lesson, and it is Literature in English. I know as soon as you see me, you know Prof. 1 has arrived, and it's nothing but Literature in English. Today we are looking at Form 2 lesson, and the title is Caged Bird. Caged Bird by Maya Angelou. Caged Bird by Maya Angelou. When we say a bird is caged, I believe you've seen one. Some of you have seen parrots being put in cages, and they sing when you get to the homes. They jump up and down, they are being fed. But do you think that they are as free as other birds that are outside? Yes, you might, the owners might feed them. But do you think they are as free as other birds that are flying free? Yes. So we're dealing with caged bird, a bird that has been caged or put in a cage. So let's look at how it goes like. So the title is Caged Bird. And we have a diagram here of a bird in cage. This is the bird. You can see a black bird here. And it's in a cage. And we can see, what is this? These are musical notations. Musical notations. Musical notations, meaning that the caged bird is doing what? Singing. The caged bird is singing. So, caged bird. Do you think that a bird singing, a free bird singing, and a caged bird singing are singing of the same kind of expression or expressing themselves in the same way? How beautiful the caged bird is singing. Is it that beautiful with the free bird? Or the other way around, that the free bird is singing more happily, and the caged bird, the song that it sings, is it a happy one or is a sad one?